It's my second day, bro. I hate this. What's up, bitches? It's me, Scope! I love men! Let's go, boys! Oh, the section! Oh, put on faster than the section! I can see every parkour jump and parkour master! What is this happening? Oh, I just got hit by a tree! Okay. I don't even know where to start with you. I mean, do you even know who you're talking to? Hey, what's up? Do you have any idea who I am? That's kind of a big deal. Oh wow, it's beautiful. I'm a twink. Okay, listen. Grass grows, birds fly, sunshine, and butter. I hurt people. I'm a force in nature. Where I was from, you'd be dead. Hey guys, it's me, Miss Welcome TM2. If you heard what I said earlier that I'm a twink, I'm actually not a twink. Please don't listen to me. I'm a